10 मिनट देर से आया और कोई आके बैठ गया सीट पे। हमेशा होता है यार मेरे साथ, ऋषि ने भी किया था, आज सिरी ने भी कर दिया। गाइस, मौके ही मौके हैं e-sports की दुनिया में। I'm so proud to announce to you guys that Team Mayhem has taken the win in the Stage 4 of Call of Duty Mobile World Championship and have taken home $15,000. A huge congratulations to them. We're going to see India being repped at the biggest of stages where they take on the biggest Call of Duty Mobile teams from the rest of the world. Along with that, a huge shout out to 3RB Squad, Game & Geek and Galaxy Racer Cells who took 2nd, 3rd and 4th respectively. It's been a great season and we can't wait to see what Mayhem comes up with next. Call of Duty Mobile World Championship के अलावा एक और ऐसा टूर्नामेंट अनाउंस हुआ है जिसमें इंडियंस अभी अपने देश का नाम रोशन करेंगे। FIFA 21 का ग्लोबल सीरीज अनाउंस हुआ है और पहली बार इंडिया को स्लॉट मिल रहा है वेस्ट एशिया के रीजन के अंदर। Stoked to say that youngsters like Saransh and Charanjot will finally have an opportunity to showcase their talent on this big stage. यार इंडिया में तो बहुत मचा है, बट अभी विदेश जाके नाम रोशन करना। The preseason of the FIFA 21 Global Series starts this week at the Twitch Rivals featuring Manchester City's Sergio Aguero. And right after that, we are also going to see La Liga kicking off, which is going to be a massive event. There's events rounded up all through October featuring content creators like Standard Skill and 2 Players 1 Console. India के participation के बारे में सुन के तो दिल एकदम से खुश हो गया यार। We are going to be playing under West Asia with countries like Kuwait, Qatar, Saudi Arabia, South Africa and UAE. The name of the region is also being changed from Middle East Asia to West Asia just for inclusion purposes. And not just that, right? Abhi India se you'll be playing on the Dubai server which gives you about 40 to 50 ping. Now this makes the game extremely competitive. So can't wait to see what young budding talents like Charanjot, Saransh and many others from our region are capable of doing on the grand stage. अभी जहाँ एक तरफ पता चल रहा है कि रूमर्स के अनुसार Jio is now in talks with PUBG Mobile to decide the fate of the game inside the country. On the other side, we are getting confirmed reports कि PUBG Mobile ने तो इंडिया को एकदम से ब्लॉक ही कर दिया है from PUBG Mobile Pro League. Now prior to this, 12 teams from the region have qualified with 3 international orgs that are involved in the space as well. TSM Entity, Fnatic and most recently Galaxy Racer. पता नहीं क्या होने वाला है. Hopefully the game does get unbanned and PUBG moves forward with Jio or finds some other kind of recourse because PUBG Mobile को तो हम सब मिस कर रहे हैं यार. और PUBG Mobile athletes की बात करें तो all of them are now trying to build their communities, create all sorts of new types of content. Some of them have expanded onto other games like Free Fire, Call of Duty Mobile, and some have even expanded to other platforms altogether. We're seeing Valorant, Rocket League, all of these games doing really well with the PUBG Mobile esports athletes and content creators. Now, only time is going to tell whether any of these games are going to be able to replace PUBG Mobile as a whole. But in my opinion, ऐसा बहुत देर तक नहीं होने वाला है. Now speaking of content creators and YouTubers, one of India's most iconic content creators, Scout OP, recently got his account hacked. Now YouTube was quick to reinstate his account, but I just want to take this opportunity to shine light on the situation because after Carrie Minati and Thug got hacked in July, this is the 3rd big hacking incident to hit the Indian community. Now I implore all the content creators in the space, make sure this doesn't happen to you, take more security precautions, be careful guys, spread the word and beware of hackers. Valorant की दुनिया में एक और नया पैच आ चुका है 1.09 और इस पैच में I'm sorry to say operator users बहुत करारा चांटा मिला है यार. 5,000 is now the price to buy an operator and the rate of fire has been nerfed so hard. And alongside that, Jet's ultimate ability has also been nerfed. Now Riot figured out that Jet operator mains were getting a little too overpowered. So this is the step they've taken. अभी देखते हैं क्या होता है. Reyna's ability also got a bit of a nerf and the whole set of patch notes is in the description below. जाकर देख लो. Now amongst all of the action-packed coverage that we're getting from all of these esports titles, there's one insanely weird contender, Among Us. No, I actually mean that. Among Us. The game Among Us. It's been blowing up on Twitch and on YouTube with content creators going crazy about it. We got to know that there are more than 60 million daily users and this is primarily because the game's available on almost all platforms including mobile. आपका पता नहीं but मैं तो जा रहा हूँ इलेक्ट्रिकल में छुपने. जाने से पहले लाइक, शेयर, सब्सक्राइब सब दबा देना. चलो बाय.